So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro software, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can nest a sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro software while editing a project. So it is very helpful if you are doing some project with having some multiple clips and you want to edit them together. So all you have to do is to simply open the Premiere Pro software in your PC. While you open the Premiere Pro software, I have multiple clips in my project. When I add these clips to the timeline, I can add this over and over again and again. And when I add these clips, you can see multiple clips has been now there in my timeline. And if I want to nest all the clips in this sequence, I just simply select the clip that I want to nest together, and then I click right on over there, and you can see an option of nest. When I click this, it will ask the name of the nested sequence, and you can name it as you want. Once you name it, you can see all the 4 clips has been now merged into a one particular sequence, and you can edit this together. And if you want to particularly edit the clips inside this sequence, all you have to do is to just simply double click on this. You can see another sequence has been now opened, which is named a nested sequence 2, and all the 4 clips has been there, so you can edit them from here as well. And once you finish with this editing, you can get back to your previous sequence while editing. So by this method you can nest the sequences in Adobe Premiere Pro software, and it would be very helpful while editing some multiple clips and you want to merge them together. I hope this video will be interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.